Hi, welcome to Wastel. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to personalize one of our chatbot templates for you to use in your Facebook Messenger page. We are going to go over what is the use of this type of chatbot, what it can do for you, how to import and edit the template, and how to connect it to a Facebook page. Let's begin! Once implemented and configured, you will be able to collect all the necessary data from the users to send them a webinar invitation. The chatbot will answer users and collect their data 24/7. The template we are going to work on is for a webinar chatbot. This type of chatbot is useful for any type of business. Once you download the template in your PC, a JSON file, you will have to import it to the builder. First, we go to Bot Builder, Import Tree, select Files, and we choose the one we want to use. Then click on Import. And that's it. That's the first step. Now we have the template in the builder. As you can see, the template is comprised of little boxes. These are called notes, and you can edit them. To edit the text, first we click on the note and scroll down to Responses. You can change the text by writing on the content of every response, and you can even add different emojis. In this type of chatbot, where we will collect user data, it is essential to add an option to accept terms of conditions. If you click on that box, you will be able to edit in the Responses section the desired text and policies. Then we go to Request Name, where we will ask for the user's name. As always, you can edit text in the Responses section. Then we have the Request Last Name section, which works exactly the same as the request name. The next box is Request Mail, in which we ask the user in the Responses section to enter their mail, and then we check if the mail is valid or invalid. You don't need to edit anything in this section, everything is ready to use. Finally, in the data collection part, we come to the request phone. In the valid part of the phone, and it doesn't need to be edited, if we access the trigger section, we will see in the description an alphanumeric code. This allows us to make sure that the phone entered is in the correct format. If later you want to create your own chatbots manually, you will have to copy this code to do the same. Finally, we arrive at the thank you message box, where we can edit the desired message on the responses part. Once the chatbot is ready, we have to connect it to a Facebook page. The first thing you have to do is to log to your Facebook. Next, we click on New Channel, give it a name, and choose the Facebook option. If this is the first time, the builder will ask you to log in your Facebook data and choose the page to integrate the chatbot. We click on the Save button. Then go to Trees and Settings. Choose the default option and add a new tree. Lastly, select the tree that represents the chatbot, click on Select All and Save. And that's it. Now you have your webinar chatbot on your Facebook page. You can edit the chatbot anytime and play with the different options. Thanks for watching the tutorial, and we will see you on the next one.